There have been a lot of questions about the 1-minute time test, so I'm just make this little video. So when you go to Canvas and you see the 1-minute time test, what this means is go to typing.com. So just go to typing.com and click student login. And then it's the first letter, no, I say these too many times. It's your last name, first name. So I do have a student login. So it's just Wilcox Julie. And I had to put a number 3 because I guess I keep making new logins. I can't remember where they are. So then the password, I'm going to click show so you guys can all see. Everybody's is going to be the same. Typing 1 and just click next. And then you're logged in. You can see up here, it's my login. Now you guys have to use the last name, first name, or I can't look at what your progress is. So it has to be this one. So up at the top on the home page, you've got lessons, you've got tests. You're going to click on tests, and then you're going to click on the 1-minute test. So then you just start a test. And I always say pick one without numbers, but it seems like they always come up without numbers. Ideally, I want you to do this at school because I want you to do this 1-minute time test on the colored keyboard so I can know what keys you really know, because you can all type faster on the black one because you're used to hunting and pecking. So I'd love to have you type it at home, at school, or if you cover your hands in some way, do that. Then you go back to Canvas to the 1-minute time, first 1-minute timing, and yours will look like this. And all I want you to put is if you got 34 words per minute and 92% accuracy. That's all you have to do. And then you submit quiz. Now I just went in and updated it so you could do it more than once. So if you had done it wrong, you can now resubmit, okay? Hope that answers your questions. See you soon.